student, we discussed half of the video earlier. So from here we will start butane 1-ol with PCC oxidizes to butanol, and butanol on oxidation with CrO3 in acidic medium give you butanoic acid. And we have to find out this carbon means functional group carrying carbon oxidation number we have to see. So first we'll go for butanol. Here this carbon is surrounded by 3 hydrogen atoms. All these 3 hydrogen atoms are positively charged. See here, one positive, and this is also having positive. 3 positive charge around this carbon. So this carbon is having 3 negative charge to nullify the charges, because neutral molecule is 3 negative, I am writing. Okay, so 3 positive are surrounding this carbon, so there is 3 negative charge on this carbon. And secondly, here see here there are 2 hydrogens around this carbon. Both of them carry 1 positive charge, so total 2 positive charge due to hydrogen. So this carbon carry 2 negative. Same here, this hydrogen is having total 2 hydrogen, total 2 positive charge, so this carbon having -2 charge. Now we will go for CH2H. See here, this CH2 and OH here. OH I took it as a 1, so it is carrying -1 charge. So this, to balance this, it will having +1 charge. This is -1, so this is having +1 charge. Okay, and this is minus, to balance this positive and this positive. There are 2 positive, so 1 negative here, 1 negative here, total 2 negative. So 2 negative plus 1, so total charge, net charge will be here -1. So this carbon which is having CH2H grouping, this grouping, it is having -1 oxidation state. Now we'll go for this butane 1-ol oxidizes to butanol. So this carbon, the oxygen is having -2 charge, and this hydrogen is having +1. So because of this oxygen, this carbon having positive charge to can nullify this charge, and this is having positive charge, so carbon having 1 negative charge. So 2 positive and 1 negative, so total carbon will be 1 positive charge. So this carbonyl group is having +1 charge. Okay, this alcoholic group CH2H grouping -1 charge. Okay, carbonyl group containing +1. Now we'll go for, when this butanol is oxidized by CrO3 in acidic medium, it will give butanoic acid. So this carbon having double bonded oxygen which is having carrying 2 negative charge, and this OH group as a whole I have to taken, this is having -1. So because this is -2, this is -1, total negative charge how much? 3 negative. So to balance this, it must be, this carbon must be having 3 positive. So carboxylic group acid containing 3 positive charge. Methyl group containing carbon is having -3 charge. Methylene group, here HH is there. Methylene group containing carbon 2 positive, 2 negative. This is having 2 negative. All of them are having 2 negative.